Hi you guys, today we have a really cool
Ani's over enthusiasm was like next level.
Nora saw me this morning, she's like, you're at like a 45, I need you to come down to like a 7.
Like a 1.
So today we're gonna be making a really cool DIY. It's actually a natural teeth whitener.
I wanted this because...
Yes. Nora was complaining, she's doing like a whole like beauty overhaul. She's like, Mom got her groove back.
I am. I'm like, I have my hair appointment, I have my nails.
Yeah,
my nails gone too. I'm a mess.
She's a mess.
I need to
So
get my
she's doing
shit
a
together.
whole like mom beauty overhaul. So we're making a teeth whitener today. And it's really, really easy. But first we have a giveaway.
Yay! So we're giving away on that overhaul topic. We're giving away 2 awesome face masks. This is one of mine and Ani's favorites. This one is a gel mask with aloe vera and bamboo because it helps cool down your skin quickly. And then this is Skin Renew Program Mask. So it's like it comes into 2 pieces.
And it's in language that we don't understand, so you know it's really good.
It's good.
So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win the giveaway. But for now, let's whiten our teeth.
Let's do it. So what goes inside this DIY?
Super easy, Nora. Okay, you need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We literally went into the fridge and took this out, and we were like, baking soda.
I got baking soda.
And we have about 5 tablets of activated charcoal, and we actually took it out of the capsules itself. So we just have the activated charcoal powder. And it's super easy. All we're gonna do is mix all 3 of these together, and we have our little travel toothbrush, and we're gonna brush our teeth and whiten them up.
And for how long do we keep it on there for?
You keep it on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Okay?
Yay!
So here, we'll mix the powders together first. And then the oil.
And then mix. Mix.
Mix your booty.
How many times can we do this a week?
I would say just do it like once a week.
Once a week?
I mean, don't go overboard. I know you love to like overdo stuff with beauty.
I do. But it's like healthy stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like,
still.
It's activated charcoal and
once you
oil.
mix it, let it sit for a few minutes so it kind of like marinates. I know, it's like our favorite word when it comes to DIY. So marinates. You ready to brush your teeth?
Let's do it.
You're messy.
Oh, boogers. Boogers are falling out.
That's sexy. We're gonna do this for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. My teeth feel really fresh.
Mine are really... I feel like I went like 2 shades lighter. Don't you think?
Yeah. They're definitely whiter.
Yeah. This works.
It does work.
Yay!
Okay, giveaway time.
I was so on the fence about this. The 2 masks. Leave comments below. What should we have them do?
Leave us some suggestions for other DIYs. That's the only way you're going to qualify
original
for a DIY, because you guys don't actually tell us what to do. So in order to qualify for a DIY, leave us a suggestion for a different DIY.
And
you have to be subscribed to our
channel. Don't forget.
Personal drinks. Okay, see you guys next time.